David Johnson.
I'm Leighton Avery.
We're from Award Group Real Estate and are standing on Bundilla Avenue, Winston Hills, outside one of our latest property listings. This is one of the suburb's most sought after blue ribbon locations, is surrounded by generous land holdings and quality new build homes. Let's take a look. Set over an impressive 920 square metre parcel of land, boasting an extra wide 35 metre street frontage, this tastefully presented 4-bedroom home offers a vast floor plan for the growing family and certainly deserves your inspection.
Optimally positioned, it is conveniently set to schools, public transport, parks and other lifestyle amenities. With easy access to the T-Way, Parramatta CBD and main arterial roads, including the M2 and M7, you'll find that living in this blue ribbon location is a long-term opportunity for you and your family.
As you step through the front door, you are greeted by polished timber floorboards and a generous formal lounge room to your right. The accommodation of the home comprises 4 bedrooms, which include a large master suite boasting a walk-in robe and a modern ensuite bathroom. The home is serviced by a total of 2 bathrooms and an instant temperature adjustable gas hot water system.
Progressing through the property, you're met by this beautiful large gourmet kitchen. There's stone bench tops, gas cooking, stainless steel appliances and a dishwasher.
Make entertaining family and friends a breeze with this undercover alfresco deck while watching the kids enjoy their time in the lush buffalo grass and easy to maintain rear yard. Perfect for families of all ages, now's the time to pick up the phone and give us a call to arrange your inspection. I'm David Johnson.
And I'm Leighton Avery. We look forward to your inquiry.